Check out this remarkable home that captures the spirit of the Hamptons lifestyle. Crafted by renowned architect Craig Arm and featuring interiors designed by Bunny Williams, this residence is a true work of art. Set on a south-facing 2-acre lot with 380 feet of bulkhead waterfront, the residence includes a spacious boat dock and provides stunning panoramic views of Mauritius Bay. Perfect for hosting family and friends, the home showcases rooms with expansive glass walls overlooking the bay. The main house features an open floor plan with connecting rooms ideal for entertaining. The main house features a total of 7 bedrooms with the second floor accessed by a grand front staircase and an elevator which opens to the primary suite or second floor vestibule. The estate is complemented by a guest house with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This pinnacle of summer living is conveniently located near the Atlantic Ocean beaches, premier golf courses, the Performing Arts Center, and the boutiques and charming restaurants of West Hampton Beach Village.